Hello and welcome to our Artificial Intelligence session. Use the power of AI to create memorable experiences and customer fans. My name is Negin Ebrahimi, and I'm the AI Product and Strategy Manager for Webex Customer Experience. I'm really looking forward to walking you all through what we're doing and where we're going with AI in the contact center. In our session today, we'll be covering a few major areas, starting with the most common customer and agent pain points, followed by how our solutions can help address these pain points. I'll then provide some insight into our approach to AI and how we can reimagine customer and agent experiences with artificial intelligence. Finally, I'll also share some demos of Cisco's conversational IVR experience, powered by one of our strategic partners, Google CCAI. Experience is at the forefront of every customer journey, and every touchpoint is an opportunity for businesses to delight their customers and differentiate themselves from the competition. And now, more than ever, customers are expecting businesses to provide a painless and seamless experience across every single interaction, knowing in advance what they might need, picking up conversations where they left off, and providing additional historical context for agents, ultimately deepening their relationship with the brand. In parallel, businesses are rapidly turning to AI to meet their customers' rising expectations and help create these memorable experiences. But businesses also have to look for ways to do more with less. And for far too long, improving customer experiences and increasing customer satisfaction went hand in hand with increased operational costs. Businesses would have to expand call center capacity and hire and train more agents, which significantly drove up their costs. But with the proliferation of data, machine learning algorithms, and affordable compute power, artificial intelligence is at a tipping point. And businesses can now leverage AI to improve customer satisfaction, all while simultaneously reducing their costs. Businesses are able to use tried and true AI solutions to optimize their contact center operations, handle influxes in call volume, boost agent productivity, and delight their customers with seamless self-service options. And it doesn't end there. They can also proactively leverage data and uncover insights to predict when or why a customer might engage with them, or use historical context to accelerate issue resolution. At Cisco, our strategy is focused on enabling businesses to leverage AI within their contact centers and to better engage with their customers, all while improving their contact center operations. Let's take a deeper look into what this means. As we touched on earlier and will soon discuss in more detail, the benefits of AI span the entire business, and its impact is far-reaching. But let's start by targeting two key personas within the contact center: your customer dialing into the contact center, and the agent, your employee, who's focused on resolving the customer's inquiry. Let's face it, customers don't typically call into a contact center to ask about your day or tell you all about their amazing beach vacation. By the time a customer reaches out, they are looking for an answer to a question or a resolution to an issue, and they're already at a point of some angst or frustration. And that initial frustration can be further exacerbated due to poorly designed interactions that are rigid and hard to navigate, long wait times and having to be on hold for what feels like an eternity, and then having to repeat their issue or re-authenticate themselves once they do get connected to an agent. What's worse, they'll have to go through that entire painful process all over again if they aren't able to resolve the problem during that first call. Customers want and expect a convenient, efficient, and painless experience. They're looking for 24/7 service that's easy, fast, and personal. And that's exactly what AI can offer. Switching gears, let's put ourselves in the shoes of a contact center agent who works with a number of different and often disconnected systems and sorts through loads of information and content to try and find the right answer or expert to help solve a customer's issue. All of this while possibly dealing with a frustrated customer who's had to traverse through a confusing IVR menu and wait on hold before connecting with an agent. If you're wondering why agent turnover rates are so high, this is exactly why. Agents want to have meaningful interactions with customers, and they want to work on more challenging problems. But due to disjointed systems, outdated tools, and high call volumes, they have to spend their time on manual and cumbersome processes and requests. And it's no surprise that these repetitive and tedious tasks are what lead to the record levels of agent burnout and rapid turnover that we're seeing today. Agents are an extension of your business, and whether digital or human, agents are seen as the difference makers in creating memorable experiences for customers. And ultimately, agents want to help customers. but they're looking for ways to effortlessly resolve customer issues with as little overhead and cognitive load as possible. Using AI and ML technologies enables agents to focus their efforts on what they care about most, meaningful customer interactions. To build on one of the industry's strongest AI portfolios, we've made several acquisitions, set up strategic partnerships with leading AI companies, and developed our own in-house AI technologies to ensure that we provide you with the most impactful customer and agent experiences and address these pain points. We focused on bringing powerful AI solutions across the entire lifecycle of interactions with the customer. And the first application of AI is through the use of intelligent self-service options like chatbots and conversational IVR, which empower customers to answer questions and resolve issues without ever needing to speak to a live agent. By providing these convenient self-service options, we can reduce the volume of calls to the contact center, so agents can spend less time addressing these simple and routine asks like checking claim status or outstanding balances, and instead focus on those more meaningful customer interactions that make a difference. Let's take a quick look at chatbots in action to see how they can help offload call volumes by handling these simple self-service requests. In this demo, we're showing a healthcare chatbot interaction and scheduler. As a patient, I'll go into my provider's website and I'll see a click to chat icon in the bottom right. I'll go in there and put in my information and type my question. In this case, I know I made an appointment, but I've forgotten when it's for, so I want to confirm. I'm then connected to a virtual agent, which does a back-end database lookup and lets me know when my appointment is. But that time unfortunately no longer works, so I'm going to see if I can reschedule using the virtual agent. Awesome, looks like the virtual agent can help with that too, and it's asking me what day works best. As you can see, requests like confirming or rescheduling an appointment, which previously would have required a customer to call in and speak to a live agent, can now be seamlessly handled virtually, saving time for both the customer and agents, and reducing the volume of calls to the contact center. Feedback from our enterprise customers has validated the impact of self-service solutions and their ability to benefit the customer and agent experience. By using virtual agents in their contact centers, our customers have been able to expand their call center capacity and effectively handle massive increases and spikes in volume. This has been especially impactful in a post-COVID world with limited and significantly reduced workforces. For example, one of our state agency customers was able to effectively handle 11.5 times their pre-pandemic call volumes, all without adding a single human agent. What's more, this increased call center capacity directly improved customer satisfaction by reducing wait times and providing convenient 24/7 access to the information and answers that customers cared about. We've also invested in providing tools to agents during calls to make customer and agent interactions run more smoothly and enable happier and more productive agents. With features like assistance from Agent Answers, we can listen to customer conversations in the background and serve up answers real-time right in the agent desktop. Agents don't need to spend time looking for the right information or searching through resources, but instead they have a personal information concierge that provides them with the resources that they need when they need it, lowering their cognitive load and accelerating their ramp-up. Agents can also leverage real-time transcripts and spend less time on note-taking and more time engaging with the customer and helping to resolve their issue. Call transcripts also decrease time spent on after-call work, once again, freeing your agents from cumbersome processes and increasing their productivity, turning your agents into super agents. This year, we've been doubling down on creating more seamless AI-powered experiences with other incremental features, such as sentiment-based routing, which determines a caller's sentiment and routes them to the most appropriate agent to help resolve their issue, and call summaries to facilitate post-call wrap-ups and further reduce the time spent on after-call work. Let's take a look at a brief demo showing how transcripts can provide context to agents and lower their cognitive load. Going back to our previous scenario, I want to call in and make a payment ahead of time for my copay. I also have some questions around my insurance coverage, so I'll head over to my provider's website and contact customer service.
Welcome to Healthcare Now. If you have a customer ID, please enter it now. Hi, Megan. How can I help you today? You can say things like make a payment or schedule an appointment.
I'd like to make a payment.
Hello, Negan. I see that you have a balance of $35. Would you like to pay this balance now?
Yes, I would.
Okay, looks like we have your credit card on file. For security purposes, what is the 3 or 4-digit verification code on your credit card?
1, 2, 3.
Thank you. You said 123. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Got it. Shall I go ahead and process the payment transaction?
Yes, please.
Your payment transaction completed. The transaction ID is 020210922175524. Thank you. Is there anything else I can help you with? You can say things like, speak to an agent or schedule an appointment.
I want to know if HMO coverage is right for me.
Okay, allow me to transfer you to one of our top representatives.
And as you can see, once my call is escalated to an agent, they get a screen pop on their desktop, and they can take a look at the virtual agent transcript and understand the full context of my experience and know exactly why I'm calling. Customers see the benefits that virtual agents provide every day, saying things like they've acted like a force multiplier. But we also hear our customers saying that they want more. Specifically, they want to replicate these virtual agent and agent assist benefits across a broader set of languages, and they want to collaborate with domain-targeted providers for highly tuned models in distinct verticals. Our team has taken this feedback to heart, and we've been focused on making contact center AI accessible to all and empowering you to make the most out of your investments so that the best-of-breed solutions, be it our native AI, market leaders, or niche regional providers, can easily integrate with your contact center. We recognize that no two businesses are the same, and nor are any two use cases identical. The way that we're solving this problem is by making our contact center solutions extensible and open. We will empower you to mix and match AI providers to create memorable customer experiences and achieve the highest levels of containment. For example, within a single flow, our platform will enable businesses to select the best respective Spanish, French, and English provider based on the end caller's language of choice. For our larger customers, this allows you to leverage and optimize AI providers across your different geographies. But customers not only want consistent and intelligent experiences across the globe, today's digital customer also expects to seamlessly reach your business through any channel that they choose. And we want to ensure that you can provide a consistent AI experience across every single touchpoint without the additional overhead. So we're making it easy to build a single flow and apply it across any channel, whether that be voice, digital, or SMS. Embracing AI within your contact center is a journey, and your solutions must evolve and adapt to keep up with your business's needs and to deliver on providing great customer experiences. Historically, businesses have had to rely on siloed data sources and limited insights, and as a result, they have not been able to effectively build upon their existing investments. At Cisco, we're uniquely able to leverage data and insights from across the entire customer experience to improve your AI solutions and drive better business outcomes. Our mission is to provide your customers with the best experiences possible, and we will make it transparent and easy to implement the AI solution that best meets your needs, so you never have to sacrifice the end customer experience when it comes to leveraging AI solutions. We're so excited to see our customers continue to roll out these game-changing AI features. Thanks for joining our AI session. Be on the lookout for exciting updates as we continue to expand our AI platform and unlock more and more powerful capabilities.